don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amafenzo TV, East African Cup of Nations. Bafana Bafana 1, Cameroon 2. I'm joined by Zweli Abdul.
Brother,
Brother,
I'm very disappointed.
very.
I'm crying inside.
Crying.
I'm bleeding, brother. You know why?
Why?
How can we win when someone has love bites?
Who's that?
Someone was busy at night. Brother, someone was busy at night.
Yeah.
Love bites. Serious love bites. We don't know what kind of love bites are those, but yeah, they were dangerous. Serious love bites. He's still in love, that one. You are still in the moment of love. He never saw football today. I know. I must check those players. Seriously, we thought they went to Morocco to play football. Now love bites. Right. I know. I wasn't happy. Yeah. With the formation 4-3-3.
Yes.
I don't know what role was BC playing today.
Yeah,
but I saw him there as a defender, but switching roles again.
Yeah.
Playing there as a number 6, going back again and forth. That's why he was so loose.
Yes.
Looking at this formation,
Sure.
We've got Ungezana here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
We've got, obviously, uyazi ngithi ukuthi masidlala la. Siphethe ama defenders wethu ayi-3, ne? And then now we are playing this 3 here, ne?
Sure.
We've got Mfukeng here, ne? We've got Apolis here on the right, ne? We've got Foster, we're striking with him. So this is our 3. Making it worse ke uKhuliso uyathanda ukoverlap azodlala ngapha kule role. Shothi uKhuliso wenzani uyaphuma. Uyangithola. Then CBC has to drop, making it a 3 again, ne? And then bringing this to a 4. This one has to play here. So now into sibulele la kule game, yabona la Mfukeng makethola amabhola, ne? Uthola amabhola sekaspani hard.
Yeah.
La because they are playing too defensive.
Yeah.
Yabona ucoach akayicabanganga lento le. Ufaka uKabini. How many games did he play?
Of course.
See, in knockout, these are not points. This is a knockout.
Yeah.
You are putting Kabini. He's not a bad player. He plays very good, but you can see ukuthi imshayile mentally.
Yeah.
Because this side was not functioning yaka Kabini. They were always pushing to Umutao ukuthi bola malifika la. And then the number 10. In number 10, idlalela la.
Sure.
Idlalela la, pushing these ones to open up this space. To open up this space, when the ball drops here, there's always going to be a Cameroon player here.
Wow.
And making sure Williams pulls back. Sure. That's why this goal, ibola lidlalila, uFoster make header, libuya la. Akusena bantu. Yabona la. Because uKhuliso ugadene nalaba. And this one is always making sure he's always effective here, pulling these ones up.
Yeah.
Yabona lento le ungene space in, and then this goal came from this side yaka Khuliso. This guy was Costin. And the coach bekumele abone ukuthi uKabini is not functioning because it means we are a man down. Yayibona lento. And Ungezane here, for me, today he was very weak. Even though he's a good player, but today he was very weak. He was exposed because ispace esibhayibe bamgasona ukuthi azokwazi ukufunctiona. That's why Mbokazi had to pull up and play the role yakhe uKabini akhavela uKabini ngaye. Yabona azokwazi ukuthi okay le space lesimele ngihlale ngisivalile la ukuthi lamabhola mawe dropa ngapha ngiyawakhipha ngwayisa ngale space ensakamdawo. This side must function and apolice manje sekayenzeni sekucongested la. Yabona these ones they want to play together and bekumele bahlakaniphe ukuthi okay now I cannot give opportunities this side. I must switch roles. Yabona eze ngapha or Mfukeng adlale number 10 uyangithola because they know uMdawu likes playing here. And then allow UCBC arrest. And then bring it to 4. And then put Obas here and Mukwen. uyayibona na so umnandi manje so uyadlala uyakwazi ukuthi okay ngipress ngine space la put Obersen Mokoena they can play lapha and uyayibona ukuthi manje coach sometimes I think lento yakho ukusebenzisa inkani it's not going to work for us uyayibona Foster is not effective. These defenders, they know ukuthi Foster is not going to do anything. Akasiphazamisi, even if he has the ball. Foster makephethe ibhola la, he traps this side. What is he doing? He's trying to shift la. Kunobani la. Squad, akunamuntu. So he's a striker. He's supposed to be lethal. He's supposed to be here, making entries and making sure ukuthi he's moving the defenders away, causing confusion like boxing. So if these defenders are just resting here, they are just resting here, and then he's coming here and trapping the ball this side. Who is going to score here? That's why even Mfukeng, when he got that chance in the first half, and we saw Uguti Ngatu Mfukeng made a blunder by missing that ball. There's pressure here. By the time they get here, there's no relaxation. They can relax with the ball this side, but there's pressure here because they are playing at their comfort because they are defending here. So now they need to press here. Who's pressing here? Foster can't press. He's not pressing them. And now Baboni look at these ones they are playing here and they are playing defensive. Let's move them with transition.
That's it.
Transition simple. They said okay, leave them, have the ball. Once we have the ball, move them with transition, put them on the spaces where they cannot catch them. And we've got speedy wingers. Then make a cross. Second goal.
Net.
Bayibonile. Babebuya, the coach was very smart to Cameroon. Uyibonile le nkinga ukuthi okay, no. Let me come back here. Move them with transition. Immediately making a cross. Sibisi is not good here. Yabona, he was the weakest link and they like pulling up. I don't know yini le ababatshele yona ukuthi manisuke lana kuzoba mnandi. And William was left exposed as if William was not a good goalkeeper. And he's an exceptional goalkeeper. So I think Hugo Broos has to make ama adjustments. Akahlale Morocco until the contract iphele. Angabuyi ngapha sithole omunye because I think no it's true. Mahopa was effective. Ungenile wayenza umzamo umremo umfaka late ufuna ukuthi umremo azame yabona ukuthi impact yakamremi iyenza umehluko putting Nkotha this side frustrate them let them play here yabona in their own half ukuthi bangakwazi ukuthi noma bazoshaya ama transition because will be comfortable on this side yabona so ucoach akayicabanga kanjalo uwenze sure ukuthi what are you defending uluza udefender you are putting another Mudiba here you are keeping what are you defending exactly siyaluza attack. You've got nothing to lose. You can't save bullets when they shoot you in the head. You are dead already. Yeah, you'll die with ammunition isasekhona. So just to wrap up, ukuthi yabona uFoster if uFoster bebamdrophile. Bathatha lentwana uGobla. Ne? Bamfaka la. Gobla would have been effective. Because I know aerially and those balls amawengena crosses, he's always frustrating our defenders. Right. That's why Gobla is mostly effective. Lodge, why are you leaving behind? Skalile si can't. Yaboninkana isebenzi. Put quality. Do not put players because they play international. Yes, they play international, but it does not mean that they are effective. We need to win. Put Kabini, we are not playing a point system. We are playing knockout. We are Puma. Ichayile baba. It's like now we are racing with the car. We are born with a matayra flat. Marufunu kijima ngai freeway. And uthi hayi ngizobuya. uJesu uzongibuyisa. You'll die. Yabona. So we are out now and then we've got who to blame? Ourselves. And the coach needs to know ukuthi I made a blunder. With me being stubborn, I made a blunder. I needed to put impact players. Abo Campbell why bangangena?
Yeah.
You are putting Kabini is not Campbell is playing. Why not play that boy?
That's a good question.
Yeah, yabona ezinye izinto as a country ne mele sibhekisise kahle ukuthi is it a matter of ukuthi he's white or what and whenever he makes decision let's respect that. But if it was a black man I think it would have been a different thing. Yabona abo Helman Mkhelele bahleli naye lapha ebenchini bekumele bama assist ukuthi amfethu last game you saw ukuthi ngeEgypt sidlale kabi yabona and this was the problem esikhostile la ukuthi simele sibuye Zimbabwe we considered 2 goals. How are we going to keep a clean sheet? So put it there at the best level ukuthi now we advise each other, we analyze game. Who's analyzing our games for them? You are defending still, you are coming again, you are defending again. What are you defending? Play football, put them. You've got nothing to lose. Play those boys. They are young, they've got energy, they want to run. Making those crosses, deliver for that strike. Uguta Zokor. Mfethu. But anyway, what can we say? Sibalindile, Betway is waiting for you. We are opening. I know Yama Love Bite, I buyele Bentley.
I know.